When in LiZhou, LiZhou! I am Chef Hisham and I'm with the king of HalalFest, Irfan Rydhan, and we are here at LiZhou Halal Restaurant in Union City. Let's go. That's here, look at that. Everybody look at this beef that's cooking right here. It is this huge pot. One of the most famous dishes here at LiZhou that you should order is the scallion pancake. It is a very popular item that is a traditional and authentic. So it looks like he's cutting it now for us to taste. Hold on, I gotta just taste this piece right here. Whoa! I'm joined with Wei. He's gonna make Szechuan chicken. When you're using a wok, it's all about the technique. Look at the fire, look at that go. The heat, the garlic, oh, the chili oil, the onion, unbelievable. Oh. Wei right now is making my favorite, my personal favorite, everybody's favorite, Mongolian beef, baby. Check this out. Go Wei, let's go. He adds a little thick soy sauce in there. It's such a long step-by-step process. But when you have like 50 of these orders, you gotta go quick. Wei knows the way to Mongolian beef. Oh, wow. Jasmine tea is something that I have to drink every time I eat authentic Chinese food. It's jasmine tea. No soda, no water, jasmine tea. My beef pot stickers. Oh yeah. Chicken chow mein. It needs to be deep in color like this. I love it when it's, you can tell it's gonna be so flavorful. And did you guys know a fun fact that noodles in the Asian culture, I'm half Asian, means long life? I eat noodles on every birthday of mine. The owner just told me that this is the most popular, the most famous and flavorful chow fun fried rice. Some of the best fried rice I've ever had. Oh. Some of the best fried rice. Oh my god, that steak is so good. I'm gonna mukbang this. I wanna put a little bit of fried rice with some steak on here, and I'm gonna just take some of the spicy sauce that they just gave me. You have to ask for it. It's hidden in the back, but look at that. I'm gonna take that scallion pancake that you guys saw in the kitchen, and I'm gonna, again, I'm breaking rules. I'm breaking rules. You guys know me. I like to break rules, but I think this is gonna be one of the most delicious bites I've ever had since starting these reviews. Just look at that. That is unbelievable. I grew up eating a lot of Chinese food, being from the Bay Area. This is one of the most authentic experiences I've had since I started eating Zabia halal. Who goes to a Chinese restaurant and not order Mongolian beef with white rice? Oh. This is my new go-to. And if you didn't know, they have a lunch special. Look at this. It comes with a cup of soup as well, rice, and any entree you want. I think you could also get fried rice instead of regular rice. Only for $13.99, you could be having one of the best Zabia halal lunches in the area. Sesame balls right here. Next, we have one of their most highlighted desserts that you should not skip out on. We have a fried pumpkin cake. Oh yeah, look at that. It just falls apart in my hand. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh. I have some condensed milk right here. Just look at this. With some red bean paste inside of the ball. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh. The sweet, the savory, the donut texture to it, the sesame texture to it, the evaporated milk. Mind blowing. Alhamdulillah!